right? And look at this. You can see all the heat in there. All right, today we're gonna bring a VEVOR towel warmer. And this one has a couple features you should be aware. It has a button to turn on, to open it actually. And if you guys can see, you can fit a lot of towels, plenty of space. And here is where you're gonna put the silica, so it keeping moisture out. All right, you can put it up there. Now the buttons, you got timer, off and on, delay. You got 20 minutes, 40 minutes, and 80 minutes. Green, it's on, it's active. We're gonna go up. It's getting warm in there, if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna show you guys on a thermal camera how hot it is. Now be careful because it says cautions, be hot. It's gonna get hot when it warm it up. And if you guys can see, it's red. It's ready to go. It's warming up right now. We're gonna come back with a thermal camera and show you how it works. But the thing is a little long. You can keep it in your bathroom here along with your towels and the rest of the stuff. It's perfect for guests. If it's a winter, it's cold house, and you get off the shower, you want something to welcome you warm hands, your towel can be the one. So, very simple, long, easy to use. All right, check this out, guys. Right now we're at 255 in Fahrenheit. You can see the barrel getting hot. I'm gonna open it slowly. And you can see all around it. Oh man, this is nice and warm. Look at the towels. It's keeping nice and more warm in there. This thing works very well, heating it up. And if you guys can see, everything's blue around here because this is the only thing we have it right now. So we're up to 85 right now in the actual barrel itself on the outside. On the inside is a different story. We got 15 minutes left, all right? And look at this. You can see all the heat in there. It's about 100 right now. And so even though it says it's gonna go to 200, it's still very active right now. And if you guys can see my hand, this is actually a thermal camera that I'm using. Show you the body heat and everything. Works very well. Very simple, easy to use.